In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find journal entries in QuickBooks Online. QuickBooks Online is a powerful tool for managing your business finances, and understanding how to locate your journal entries is an essential part of staying on top of your accounting tasks. Whether you're troubleshooting discrepancies, reviewing financial transactions, or simply keeping your books in order, knowing where to find your journal entries is a skill every QuickBooks user should master. If you don't already have a QuickBooks Online account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and follow along. Now, let's get started. To begin, navigate to the left-hand side of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Look for the navigation panel along the left edge of your screen and click on it. This panel is where you'll find all the major sections of QuickBooks, from banking to expenses, and in this case, reports. Next, select the option labeled Reports. This will take you to the full Reports Center, where you can access a variety of reports that summarize your financial data. Once you're in the Reports Center, head to the search bar at the top of the page. This is the quickest way to find specific reports in QuickBooks Online. Click into the search bar to activate it, and then type the word Journal. As you type, you'll see a list of matching results appear below the search bar. From this list, select Journal Report. This is the report that compiles all your journal entries, giving you a detailed view of the transactions recorded in your books. After you click on the journal report, give it a moment to load. Once it does, you'll see a detailed list of all the journal entries for the current reporting period. This is a great starting point for reviewing your financial data. At the top of the report, you'll notice controls for adjusting the date or report period. If you need to narrow down the time frame, you can either choose one of the preset periods like this month or last month, or you can manually set custom start and end dates to focus on a specific range. Now that your report is filtered to the appropriate period, take some time to carefully review the information. Pay close attention to the dates, reference numbers, accounts affected, and the debit and credit columns. This is where you'll find details about the financial transactions recorded. If your goal is to troubleshoot discrepancies, compare the amounts in this report to your trial balance or account registers. This can help you identify any mismatched or missing entries that might be causing issues in your books. If the report appears empty or seems to be missing entries, double-check your date range. Adjust the start and end dates to ensure you're capturing all the relevant journal entries for the period you're reviewing. And that's it. By following these steps, you now know how to find and review journal entries in QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.